Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Leos, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So these are the cards for your present situation, your past, what obstacles you're facing, and your future outcome. Leos. So these are the cards. Let's start with this card here. So we have King of Wands in reverse. So, Leos, you are someone with certain rules and ideals. You strictly follow those rules, and people around you, they are not like you. They are not dedicated or devoted like you. So, it is really difficult for you to tolerate them, or it is difficult for others to tolerate you because you are always what to say focused on what you need to do, what you need to do next. So it may be the way things are in your life, in your career, and in your relationship, but people in your life, they are not focused or dedicated like you. So that may be the reason they cannot be with you, or they feel really stressed when they are with you, Leos. So we will see what is this card. It's Four of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, maybe there are certain things happening, some difficulties, but if you are careful enough and you are someone dedicated and focused, and you should never lose your focus, though your circumstance may be difficult and it may worry you, but it demands a lot of attention on your part. You must take all precautions, because if you are careful enough, you are going to avoid some difficulties, Leos, because there are difficult circumstances waiting to come, but it needs focus on your part and attention on your part to do the right thing at the right time. So, if you are careful enough, you are going to succeed. You are going to move away from this difficult situation. So, we will see more cards. It's Five of Wands and Ace of Wands in reverse. So, again, you are trying your best, you are struggling, you are working hard, determined, focused. You have a lot of things on your mind, you have a lot of plans, and you're working towards your dreams and goals. And there are some difficulties you're facing today. But you need to understand that these difficulties are here for a reason. That reason is to teach you something valuable in life. So, whatever hard work and efforts you are making, Leos, will never be wasted. You must understand that. And you must try to remain positive, try to remain focused, try to remain confident, having that confidence in yourself that everything will go right, everything will change for the better, things will change for the better. And you need to be, what to say, happy, and you need to stay positive, thinking of good things, planning good things for your life, because no matter what your circumstances are, if you are confident enough, if you are happy, you are going to attract more good things and blessings towards you, towards your life. So we will see more cards for your situation. We have Nine of Wands and the Emperor. So just like I said, Your confidence and your intentions are going to play a very important part in your life today. So, if you are happy, if you are sure about what you're doing today, there may be troubles, there may be a lot of things you need to do, a lot of difficulties on the way, obstacles to reach your goals and whatever plans you have. So, it may be something to do in your career or in your relationship. But if you are having that positive thoughts, happiness, contentment, and joy in your circumstances, accepting things as they are, you're going to see a beautiful change coming for you. Things will fall into place, Leos. Circumstances are definitely changing. So, we will see more cards for your situation. We have High Priestess in reverse and Strength, just like I said. So you need to be courageous, bold, ready to face anything, whatever that may come. Because if you want to reach those goals, your dreams, your passions, whatever you dream of, whatever you wish for yourself in your personal life and in your career, you need all that strength, you need all that attention, confidence, and skills if you want to reach those great heights. So, you must never ever think of giving up, Leos. This may not be the time. Though there are a lot of difficulties you're facing today, your confidence is going to see you through. So, your intentions are the reason that is going to push you towards your dreams and plans, and it is going to make you succeed, Leos. So, we will see the final two cards, the outcome, Chariot in reverse and Judgment. So, just like I said, there may be difficulties coming your way, but everything is changing very soon. Circumstances are changing. You can expect huge changes coming to you guys. It may be changes in your career and changes in this relationship, the way this person is with you. Maybe you are moving to the next step, maybe commitment or marriage. You are more serious about this love, or they are more serious about you. They are wishing good things for this love, good things between you both. So, this person is also thinking about you. They are, what to say, they are also thinking of the next step, maybe marriage or commitment. So it all lies in your hands, Leos, today. Whatever you are expecting or welcoming into your life, that is what is coming for you. So that is the reading here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.